Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to explain what would be the best niche for affiliate marketing business. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Andy. I'm in internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you wanted to learn more about internet marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today's video, we're gonna talk about best niche for affiliate marketing. But before we go further, we wanted to understand what niche means. So the simplest way to understand niche is mean that it's a specific market or specialized market, or you can say it as a category in your market. Before we talk about the best niche, so you need to understand these two things first. One is the most profitable market, and the second one is the most patient market, which means that the most patient, it means that something that you love or you knows already what you wanted to market. So those are two things that you need to understand. There's three different niches that are most profitable on the market is health and fitness, and then wealth niche, and then the relation niche. So those are the three niche is the most profitable niche. A lot of people call it an evergreen niche. Now let's talk about patient niche. Well, the patient niche, whatever niche that you actually like or what you love to market or to sell. Let's say if you're in the gaming industry, probably you like to sell the gaming CD or probably gaming software. So those are actually the patient niche. Or maybe if you like, let's say in the pet market, so if you love with your dog and you like to buy anything for your dog, let's say for the shirt, or maybe the clothing for the dog, maybe the food, anything that you love to do, is that's a patient niche. Now those are the two things that you already know, but now we're talking about the example of the profitable niche. So in health and fitness, for example, let's say if you sell diet supplements, so those are include in the health and fitness niche. Or maybe you like to explain about healthy eating, market this kind of food that healthy. Also probably like a quit smoking, or probably group for fitness or fitness coaching. And then if you like to wanted to have a muscle on your body and you wanted to sell those kind of supplements, so those are in the health and fitness niche. And the example for wealth niche, or money market niche, for example, making money online or foreign currency, or maybe you want to do the Bitcoin or multi-level marketing, or maybe real estate, or maybe credit card. So those kind of things is included in the wealth niche. And the third one is called this relationship niche. Mostly it's like romance or online dating, or probably for marriage counseling, or probably like you're looking for the right partner from certain country. Those are actually in the relationship niche. There's a lot of things in a relationship, not only in human being, but you probably relationship with your pet, for example, that could be also in the relationship niche. Now we already know the example of the profitable niche, and then we already know the example of the patient niche. The best thing that you do to choose your niche is you combine those two niches together. So because you don't want to only just market anything profitable, but probably you don't like to market those kind of product, maybe you don't know anything about that product, then it's not good for you to market the product that you don't know, or maybe you don't understand much about it. And also on the other side, if you only just market your patient niche, but then it's not so many people are looking for that niche, it's not so profitable. For example, let's say if people wanted to talk about opening a restaurant, then you wanted to let's say maybe selling these cooking appliances, right, for the restaurant. Maybe not so many people are looking for that kind of things, and then it's gonna be hard for you to market those products if you only just depends on the patient needs that you know. It's the best for you is to combine them together, so in that way you have the passion inside, and also it's more profitable also in that niche. So how do you do that? First of all, you ask yourself, what is your passion when you wanted to sell something or market something. That's something you need to ask yourself first, and then after you find that niche, then you have to kind of pivot a little bit to those three different categories. So let's say, for example, if you are in the restaurant business, this is kind of example also. Don't only just market what appliances in that niche, but probably you can pivot a little bit. Restaurant, maybe you wanted to do a franchise for a restaurant, or maybe you wanted to do a, what do you call that, if it's in the health and fitness, maybe a restaurant selling like a healthy food, for example, right? So maybe vegan food, or maybe vegetarian food, or keto food. So restaurant, you talking about the restaurant in that healthy category. It's not only just opening the restaurant and selling the appliances to your market. Another example, let's say if you love about your pet, your dog, for example. Pet, maybe you can also pivot that to a relationship with your dog, for example, right? And how do you do that? Probably, when you wanted to market something that can teach your dog to become smart, for example. There's a school that you can market for this kind of pet. That school teach your pet, and then the pet is gonna be understand whatever you say and whatever you tell your pet to do. So in that way, you have more connection with your pet, right? So that's in the relationship niche. So not only just you selling the pet food or the dog food, or maybe only just the dog, the dog vitamin is also good. So because that's included in the health and fitness niche, right? So you can sell those kind of things. So just try to pivot a little bit with your passion niche to those three profitable niche. That's actually my tips for you when you choose what would be the best niche for your affiliate marketing business. I hope you get the value from this video. If you get the value of this video, please give the thumbs up, so it's gonna help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. And if you don't like this video, then you can smash that thumbs down twice, so just to make sure. And yeah, if you wanted to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can also check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell. Stay safe, and I see you in the next video.